Welcome to my fish room.
Saying anything different because it's not true. I really hate bifocals. Makes me look like a granny.
It's not the only thing that makes you look old when you're bending over like that.
Yeah. Remember how we got rid of your other brother because he wasn't good? You started back
There
talking.
never was another brother.
Oh, you were never that sure.
I always was.
No, you always thought you were sure.
No, I knew I was sure.
Okay.
Why didn't you just cut a square and then cut a hole in it and slide that down the pole?
Because I got a theory.
I know, but I would have done that and then put the hole on it and then would have worked better. That's nicer.
Nobody's going to care what it looks like. It's whether it's waterproof.
Now what are you going to do?
Just keep gluing pieces on it until it's all glued in. Do we got any hot glue with this?
No. See, maybe the smartest father I have, but you're not exactly the most bright.
What? I'm the most brilliant father ever.
Maybe you're not too bright.
Yeah, because I think you're
cut
a good
yourself
son.
open. You're touching
I'm
hot
careless.
glue.
Alright.
What?
We need a high quality video. You wandering away from the camera?
You're not moving.
Yeah, but I might. What if I turn this into an action shot?
My back hurts.
You want me to walk on you?
Sure. When we get home, then it's first.
Well, we haven't quite got the fish room set up. We've
Not at
been
all.
working on it a couple of months.
It's not been a couple of months.
We moved here at the end of January, son.
And it is now April.
Yeah, that's a couple months.
When I envision a couple months, it's like 6.
It's like 6? 6 months is a couple.
Yep.
So then give me a couple dollars.
That's 2 to 3.
No. Well, that one's in the fish. Oh, scoop that. See, that way they get oxygenated water, we move it around, plus they're getting used to the new water.
Why not just use my suggestion?
Because your suggestion won't work right.
Why not?
Because I didn't come up with it. See, remember Father's good, Father's great, yay Father?
We haven't sang that song in a very long time.
Do you want to give him a rousing rendition?
Like shrink that.
Well, he shrank tubing.
Is it waterproof though?
If I get enough of it on there, yeah. Have faith in your father. The genius among geniuses, dads.
Oh, you changed that.
What?
You changed that tank. Now it's the back system.
Yeah. The only thing constant in my life is change.
And fish.
What?
And fish.
Changing fish? This might actually work.
You sound like you're surprised.